Local news for Tuesday the 19th of February. Police are appealing for information following a shooting incident Sunday morning in Masterton. A 35-year-old Masterton woman was shot while walking on Clyde Street at about 10 to 3. The woman was driven to Masterton Hospital by a local resident and is in a stable condition following surgery. Detective Sergeant Bill Van Workham says police have spoken to the victim and a number of residents in the area. He says someone in our community will know who is responsible. Masterton District Council is giving people the opportunity to get a better understanding of what happens to the town's effluents in an open day at the Homebush Wastewater Treatment Plant this Saturday. Free guided bus tours of the plant will give a behind-the-scenes look at the whole post-flush process and demonstrate how the council is treating wastewater. The Carterton Volunteer Fire Brigade Waterways team have taken out first and second place after competing in the Waterways Champs at Havelock North at the weekend. And they are building up now to the, of course, Nationals, which take place in Wainuiomata early next month. And a loss for the Wairarapa men's cricket team in the Furlong Cup match of the weekend. Wanganui scoring 385 for 8. Wairarapa all out for 279.